Hi, I'm Jordan Beeman, president of HeartBrand Beef, and today we're going to be talking about HeartBrand fajitas. What's so great about these HeartBrand fajitas is they come in about a 2-pound bag, pre-marinated, pre-seasoned, pre-trimmed, ready to go on the grill. We do all the hard work, all the hard lifting for you, so all you have to do is take this great product, take it out of the bag, put it straight on a grill. What we're going to need is some bell peppers, some onions, some additional peppers if you'd like. We're going to saute them out here on the grill so we have this nice skillet with the holes in it. A little salt and pepper for our veggies, and then whatever else you'd like. So we're going to put our fajitas in a tortilla. If you'd like a little pico, maybe a little guacamole, maybe a little cheddar cheese, and then you'll have a great fajita ready to go. I like to have my grill preheated to about 425 degrees. And remember, it's as easy as opening the bag and going straight to the grill. Leave them for about 2.5 minutes, flip them about 3 or 4 times for a total of give or take 8 minutes, then they'll be ready to go. Now that we have our fajitas cooked, we're going to take them to the cutting board. Very important that we cut it across the grain. Just take a look at that. See, as you pull it, see that how it comes right apart. Now that we have our meat cut and our tortilla warm, we'll begin to assemble our fajita taco. Now that we have our Akaushi fajita taco made, we're going to give it a try. Well, that's great. Such tender meat, great flavor, really good fajita. What made this so nice was HeartBrand did all the heavy lifting. We trimmed the skirts, pre-marinated them, pre-seasoned, ready to go. All we had to do was put the beef straight on the grill, put it along with our favorite sides. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for joining us on the HeartBrand cooking series.